Snizzlers, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are doing another Sprite Challenge. Ta-da! But like how we did last time, we did do a Sprite Challenge last time, but this time it's a bottle and it is way bigger than the tiny cans that we got. So even though that you lost like pretty much straight away,
like to thank my fans.
We're gonna try and like make, because obviously it's gonna be hard because there's more. We're gonna like try and make it more better. Like I don't know, but like
how?
I don't know.
You just gotta
like,
drink it.
Yeah, but you just gotta like try not to burp. Like this is a proper challenge now.
What? Like last time wasn't a proper challenge.
Yeah, but
Do you
this
think I was trying to do?
more
I know.
challenge.
It's fizzy.
This is a mega challenge.
If I don't burp, I will literally explode.
Yes, I don't burp.
So you want me to explode?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because you can't burp in this challenge.
Okay, right. Can you fart?
No.
If I channel it down in my body. No? Cool. Right. This is also very
Do you know
refreshing.
I'm smelling it?
Because our previous video was a Marmite toast taste test. And we still got the taste in our mouth is minging. So this is going to be very refreshing. Oh yeah.
Also, I gave him the less filled one because I'm nice.
Oh, I think they're the same.
No, if you look closely up.
Yeah, what about? Oh, they've got these bloody new caps, haven't they?
Oh no, I hate these caps.
God, I'm hard. Look at that. See that immense strength?
Kid you man, because I can do it, but I don't want to do it because I'm scared. Because I've already done one side, but I'm scared if it's gonna if I'm gonna go like that, it just goes everywhere.
Well, you'll be cleaning it up, won't you, me? Right.
Less for me.
We got a timer. What we on the video? What's the time?
We have already done nearly 3 minutes.
Have we really? So you waffling on, that is.
You?
Waffler. Yeah. Right, now we're going to drink this.
Try to drink it as fast as you can, but don't burp.
Okay.
Don't burp.
Well, what happens if I do it? So if I burp, then I lose?
Yeah.
Okay.
And serious consequences.
What are they? You lose. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Ready?
Right.
Ready, go.
Okay.
It's a bit cold.
Obviously. It's good.
This isn't going to end well.
I've only had a couple of sips.
It's very cold, which isn't helping.
That was a close one.
Mm.
It's okay, once you finish, you can have the biggest burp. Oh, you heard that then, but like, yeah, swallow it.
Does it count if you burp with your mouth closed? So it's only loud burps. Hmm?
Can't burp at all.
What if I burp from my nose?
No.
Brrr.
I've done that before.
Have you?
Yeah. It's not hard. Just gotta like close your mouth airways.
Very difficult.
That's where it like bubbles up in my mouth.
It's quite nice. This is the zero sugar. Like if you have like the zero sugar Coke, you can really taste the difference.
I really like this
I'm
one.
a big fan of the regular, ordinary, original Coke. Any other version I can't stand, but this, it just tastes like normal Sprite.
Yeah. 2 servings.
Do people actually chug these as well?
Mm-hmm.
How? Do very well, almost halfway through.
I'm not like, I don't feel like a burp coming, but the only thing is, it like foams up in my mouth, and then like it's like really hard to swallow.
I get a lot of pressure here.
Mm.
all in the breathing.
As you breathe in and out, it's
What would you get if you win?
you should win.
Where's the incentive?
What does that mean?
The encouragement. I need a prize at the end to encourage me to win. What do I get? You wash up for a week?
No, you get to win.
I get to win, thank you.
Oh, it's hurting to breathe.
It hurts. This is not natural
Why?
because there's be too much pressure in here. People have died from literally stomach explosions. There was a video of a father and daughter last week. Did you see it on YouTube? The dad chugged it and chugged.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
The daughter's gone to jail for life now for murder.
How did the daughter murder him?
Forced him to drink a bottle of Sprite and not burp, yeah.
I'm not the one who bought him.
Oh God. I almost just let it rip then.
Did you?
Yeah, I was almost going to go, sod it. What time are we on?
Nearly 7 minutes.
God, really? Need to drink up.
I'm just taking this off so it's easier to see. And take yours off.
Well, I lost. I feel much better for burping. At least not going to be done for murder now. Oh, that's good. I'm like Barney off the
I
Simpsons.
don't know, my belly hurts, but I don't need to burp.
Where are we at? Side by side. Look at that. No wonder I'm burping. Look. Where are you? Are you going to join sometime today, or are you just going to?
I will not be able to chug it. Hang on, let me just put my trousers below my belly. Oh, my hands are cold from touching.
Isn't it nice to get rid of that taste of Marmite though?
Yeah.
Cannot taste it at all now. This just sticks to the inside of your mouth and minging, doesn't it? I'll let you have a chocolate bar if you drink it all without burping. That's for an incentive. But you've got, what time is it on there?
8 minutes.
Right, you've got till 10 minutes. If you're not chugged it by 10 minutes. It's only 2 more minutes, you'll be fine. Look.
But you've got a bigger mouth than me.
Rude.
Yeah.
Very rude.
Really?
Looks like I'll be eating chocolate bar then.
Really?
No, strip. What was this?
My belly hurts. Ow!
Says you're right. Karma.
Oh yeah?
Look, what are you supposed to be drinking? No, don't throw stuff. What are you supposed to be drinking?
Really?
You had too much sugar.
It hurts my belly.
This is your idea.
Your idea?
Your idea.
We already lost.
You don't want to carry on.
I'm not very good at chugging things.
It's your bloody idea. What did you suggest it for if you're not very good at it?
I don't know.
So you don't want to finish it?
I want to finish it, but like, I won't be able to finish it on time.
Oh, yeah, not all day, won't we? Think your stomach's going to hurt too much? Don't you?
But I don't need a burp.
How can you not need to burp?
I
I've
don't know,
burped loads. I've had like a bit more than you. You think how much I've already burped? You haven't burped at all. Where's it going?
I don't know. My belly hurts, but I don't need to burp. Like, I can just let one slide now.
Really? It does hurt your stomach. My stomach's hurting.
I mean, if I forced one out, I could do
No,
it.
40 or throw up. Ah, it's cold. It's not helping.
Mm.
Oh, you got one coming. Down in one. Down in one. Oh. What was that? Down in 50. Oh, it's coming out the other end in a minute. Yeah, it's working its way down. I can feel it. It's gonna blow. Oh, not yet. I'm gonna be a gentleman.
Really?
Yeah. It's really good. It's the first 0-1 of anything that actually tastes like normal.
Mm.
Do you like it, Sprite?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all
Oh,
right.
I wouldn't be drinking it if I didn't
Oh,
like
no, I
it.
just wondered because it's not something we really drink, is it? I tell you what I can't stand is like
Plus, I'm
Diet
starting to
Coke.
get a stitch.
Yeah, it's painful, isn't it? You've only had half a blooming bottle, though.
Oh no,
That's nothing.
but still. What are you on about? You got to here and you started.
That's true, yeah. But you just burp. The fans want to see it.
You remember that? No, I did a massive burp in maths.
Did you?
Like a really big
Did
one.
you get extension?
No, the whole class went silent.
Did they?
No, burp.
Looked even disgust.
Right, shall I do it?
No, don't force yourself. Just do
Yeah.
it if you. Oh, what was that?
No, wait.
I think a fly just thrown out and burped. It's not burp.
I know, it just didn't come out right.
That was the letter B. B.
Burp.
B. Good. You do a burp or not? Oh, what is that? You bring shame upon the family. The whole family.
He won't
are
come
well.
out. It's like I don't need one anymore, but my belly's still hurting.
Pull yourself over bridges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're
You need to
bodges.
learn how to burp.
You're bodges.
I'm almost done. Look at that. I'm a pro.
I just chugged it then.
Did you? I'd hardly call that a chug. Was that a slightly larger sip?
No, I'm like, I
Ooh,
had
look at
it
me.
kept to swallow.
Go then show me a chug then. What's a chug look like?
Okay, I'm not gonna do the old thing then.
Alright, no, just show me what your attempt of a chug. Amateurs. What are you psyching yourself up for? It's not like a bottle of Marmite, is it?
Yeah, but like still, no, it's the belly.
That's your throat you're pointing to. It's my belly. Ah, my belly.
I got a headache in my elbow. Ready?
What's that all?
I don't know. It's all on TikTok.
Yeah.
Ready?
It's on TikTok. Like a goldfish. That was my. Oh my god! You were literally there chugging it. It's barely dropped by the light. You were faking it.
No, but
It's barely moved.
I can chug water, but I can't chug that because of the fizz.
Well, no, really. Honestly. Come on then, almost done. Look at that. What are we on now? 45 minutes. How long has it been?
14 minutes.
Has it really 14 minutes?
Yeah, I said 14 at the exact time it hit 14.
It's embarrassing. I'm embarrassed by your half-assed attempt. Look at that. Literally a half-assed attempt.
I can't help it.
In fairness, I burped before you, so technically,
I won.
but the overall winner, so whoever burps first loses 5 points. So I'm at -5, you're at 0. But whoever finishes the bottle gets 10 points.
Really? No. Well, I didn't agree to that.
Oh, I win. Wow.
Really no.
Didn't even burp once.
Well,
Well,
I'll have my fingers crossed so it doesn't count.
right. Oh. Right, you going to finish that or are we going to leave it?
I think we're going to leave it.
It's okay. Don't you worry. Technically you won. What was that? She's been possessed. What's that? Jesus, quick, get my cross to my steak.
No, it was just like so.
But you went, oh.
No, it was so.
Really? Right, we done then?
Mhm.
Chug, chug, chug. Oh. Right, the next video we'll do next week. Because I'm going to Oslo on Friday. So I haven't got no more time.
Mhm.
When I get back, we shall do it. I was looking at maybe finding, whilst I'm there, some sort of Norwegian tinned fish.
It should be good there though because it's like fresh.
No, I know, but they do all kinds of weird stuff, don't they? I think. I don't know. So me and Jack will have a look if I can find something, but I'm not sure if I can bring tinned fish back in hand luggage.
Why?
I don't know, because it's like liquid. You're not supposed to have liquids. And even though it's a tinned fish, there's still liquid in it.
Maybe they might think that you put like drugs in it, so they might ask you to open it.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows? But yeah, maybe I can. You know, when I went to Chinatown, I got those vacuum packed fish sticks and stuff.
Yeah.
That might be better if I can find something similar.
Yeah.
I was just thinking maybe something nice like a sweet, a Norwegian delicacy.
Try a nice like.
There's some sort of cheese thing, Norwegian cheese thing.
No, I'm not having cheese.
No, but it's like a cake cheese. You know, like a cheesecake.
Yeah.
No, I know, but it's a Norwegian delicacy. So me and Jack are going to try it whilst we're there, and if it's nice, I'll buy one and we'll bring it back.
Yeah.
If it survives the travel.
Yeah.
If not, we'll think of something else.
Yeah.
Well, I think we'll try nice sweet taste testing, nice
Norwegian foods.
Yeah.
But
because we said we're going to do different country foods, didn't we?
Yeah. So so we've already done China. Now we're going to be moving on to Norway.
Norwegian stuff.
Yeah. What can we do after that?
Welsh.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some
Welsh foods should be
Scottish foods. Haggis. You ever heard of haggis?
I've heard of it.
A black pudding. Black pudding. Scottish. I think black pudding Scottish maybe. I don't know. We'll try that. Irish. I'm sure there's some Irish stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Well,
right.
How many countries are there in the world?
I don't know. A lot. So that's a lot of content. We can just have a look, can't we?
Yeah.
Cool. Righty, we're going to say to our loyal followers, our snizzlers. Right.
Yeah.
In the bizzle snizzlers.
Yeah.
Ready? In the
bizzle